Yeah, welcome everyone. Today I'm going to share very important topic with you. Right? This is called one-liner multiplication. This is called one-liner multiplication. So have you seen one multiplication there? Have you seen one multiplication? Chandrasekhar, what are you doing there? So have you seen one multiplication there? 22 into 23. So how much time do you take to complete that multiplication? Tell me. How much time do you take? So what is the usual process to complete it? This is the usual process. No, 22 into 23 means 22, isn't it? To 23, isn't it? So first, we will start with third table. 3 2 just 6. 3 2 times 6. And then second table. 2 2 is 4. 2 2 is 4. So 6, 6 4 10. 4 1 5. So 506 is the answer. Am I right? 506 is the answer there. So here, first step, second step, third step. Here it is taking, this problem is taking 3 steps to complete it. Am I right? It is taking 3 steps actually. Okay. Then, now I'm going to show you how to complete such multiplication in one line. This will be very interesting to you. How to complete such multiplications in one line. Okay. So I'll take another problem. Then we'll come to this kind of a problem. So we'll take one problem. 21. 1 second. Take 21. Okay. 23. Right. What we are going to do? We are going to complete this kind of the multiplications in one line. This is one line. This is really amazing. You will be surprised to know that. Usually multiplications, we start from right side, no. But here you can start from left side also. You can start from left side. So you can start from this multiplication from this side or this side. Both sides you can start. Right? So, and check it properly. One liner multiplication. So usually it takes 3 steps to complete it. No, it takes 3 steps to complete it. These such multiplications, isn't it? But here I'm going to show you how to complete it in one line. Okay. Then, so here this is the first column. No, first you multiply the first column. This is the first column. No, so multiply this first column. 2 2s are. That means 2 times. Multiply these two. How much will you get? 4. Right? Then next step, you should multiply crosswise. So that means cross multiplication. Cross multiplication. 2 3s are. 2 3 times. 2 3s are. 6 plus 2 1s are 2. 6 plus 2. How much? 8. Okay. Then, so first step we completed. We multiplied first column. Second step, cross multiplication. Third step, second column, this one. 1 3 is a 3. That's it. This is the answer. 483 is the answer. Do you believe? It has taken just a few seconds, 2 to 3 seconds only. Within 3 seconds, you can complete it in one line. Shall we check it whether this is correct or not? Because this is completely opposite to a traditional multiplication. No, this is completely opposite to a traditional multiplication. So then we will check it whether this is correct or not. Okay, right. So we'll go as per our traditional 21 into 23. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So 3, 6 plus 2, 8, 4, 4, 4, 8 is 3. So this multiplication is correct, right? You can check it whether this is correct or not. You can check it whether. So this is very easy, no, comparing to this traditional multiplication. This method is very, very easy. Okay. Then we'll go for another example. We'll go for another example. So this time 21, 23. Okay. We'll take 21, 23. What is the first step? So first step, first column. Second step, cross multiplication. Okay, cross multiplication. Third step, what is the third step? Second column, isn't it? Watch it carefully. So this is the first step. This one is the multiplying. First column is the first step. And I'll tell you second step is this cross multiplication is second step. Cross multiplication is second step. Then what is the third step? Multiplying this column is third step. Multiplying this column is third step. So let us start it. So this first one, this one, 2 twos are 4. Then cross multiply. Answers there, no. 2 twos are 4. And cross multiplication, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6 plus 2 ones are 2. 6 plus 2 means 8. And 3 ones are 3. So 4. Isn't it? So you can check it with a calculator, or you can use your traditional, you can use method also, that you can check whether this is correct or not, right? Go for the third example. Just check it. You can take the screenshots even. We'll go for the third one. $32. Okay. $21. 32, 21. So what is the first step? 3 2 times. Multiply these two. 3 2s are 6. Then second step, cross multiplication. That means 3 1s are, yeah, cross multiplication. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 2s are 4. And 2 ones are 2. So 672 is the answer. How is this system? Maithili Spandana. How is this? How is this method? Single liner multiplication system. Yeah, very easy, no? Roshini. This is very easy, no? And we can save 70% of the time. Very easily we can do that. Just 51 into 9, don't worry about it, right? So we'll take some right. Now, so just before someone asked me, no, now what's number they asked? Just I will check it. So Vandana asked me to multiply 5193. That's very question, very good question. 5193. So one thing I want to say before doing this problem, one thing I want to say, actually, just before problems, just before we have done 3 problems. For all the problems, we got only single digit answers. Single digit. We multiplied first column, we got single digit answer. Then for cross multiplication also we got single digit answer. For second, we after multiplying second column also we got single digit answer. But if you get the single digit answer, you can write directly. But if you get the double digit answer, then there is a small change. So okay, let us start it. Don't worry about it. So then, as per the same procedure, there is no change to multiply this. There is no change. The same method. Same method. Okay. So first multiply the first column. 5 9s are 9 5 times 45. See, remember, 45 means we got 2 digits here. If you get only 1 digit, you can write directly. But if you get the 2 digit, just you put a mark like this. Okay, so that's it. 45. The same procedure. There is no other change. Just I multiplied the first column. So as per the rules, cross multiplication. 5 3s are 15. 9 1 times means 9. So 15 plus 9 is equal 24. 24. Then up. Okay. So just this mark. So this is the first answer. Column 1. This is cross multiplication. Then what is the third step? Second column. 1 3 is a 3. That's it. So this answer we got. See, for first column we got double digit. Second column also we got double digit. Third column we got single digit. See, if you get the all single digits directly, you can write it. If you get all single digits, you can write it. But if any of the answer you got double digit, means you should use balancing rule. That's why yesterday I discussed balancing rule with you. Balancing rule. So now, balancing rule. By using the balancing rule, you should simplify it. Balancing rule means here we got 3 answers. No, for 3 answers you should take one answer. That's it. So here we have only one answer, 1 digit. So directly you can take 1 answer. But here you have 2 answers. No, 2 answers we cannot accept. Only you write units place digit. Units place digit you write here. The other digit you just add to the next one. 2 will go here. No. So 45 plus 2. 47. That's it. 47, 43 is the answer. 47, 43 is the answer. Okay. We'll go for. I'll discuss another example. Once. Okay. Right. I'll take another example. Okay. This time we take 32, 71, 72. Okay. Take this. The same rule. So first step, first column. Okay, my God. Second step, cross multiplication. Third step, column 2. Okay, column 2. First step, first column. Second step, cross multiplication. Third step, second column. That's it. This is the first column. No, this is the first column, isn't it? This is the first column. So first column, 7 3s are 7 3 times means 3 7s are 21. We got the first answer. Family. Okay. Now second, what is this? One second. Yes. Now cross multiplication. Okay. Second step, cross multiplication. It's very easy, no? So 3 2s are 6 plus 7 2s are 14. 6 plus 14 means 20. Okay. Now second column, 2 2s are 4. That's it. So we got the 3 answer. Now we have to simplify, isn't it? We have to simplify it. Okay. I told you, no. If there is one digit, directly you can take. But if there are 2 digits means units place digit you should write there. Other digit you should add to the next one. Okay. So 4. So here only one digit. Directly we can write. Here we have 2 digits. So units place digit only. Just this only you write here. Other digit you add to the next one. 2 you add here. So 21 plus 2, 23. That's it. 2304 is the answer. This is the answer. So if you practice, actually here we are taking 2 steps now, but if you practice directly, you can write it. So it saves 70% of the time and accuracy also, more accuracy. Okay. Then another problem, we go for another one. So 76, right? $47. Can you try this? Anyone? Can anyone try this? Try cheyandi. First step, column 1. Second step, cross multiplication. Third step, column 2. Okay. Try cheyandi chuddam. So this you have to multiply. Red color, column 1. First step. Then green color, step 2. Green color, step 2. Then black color, step 3. Black color, step 3. So just complete it. If you get the double digits, just balance, you balance it. then you will get the perfect answer. Okay, 357 to Harshita, done. Very good. Yeah. Chemistry, good. It's actually very surprising and amazing technique. Yeah, many of you 357. Vandana, Indu, Vignesh, Sneha. Okay, good, good, good. Chemistry and Aravind, Satvik, Lokesh. Good, good. Yeah, that's very good response. So, so let us check it once again. Okay, we will check it once again. So 7 fours are 7 4 times. 7 fours are 28. Right? Okay. And cross multiplication, no, 7 sevens are 7 sevens are 49 plus 6 fours are 24. 49 24 means 73. 73. So 73 here. Then 6 sevens are 42. So here all are 3 digits, no? No problem. Use balancing method. Balancing method, if there are 2 digits means we take only 1 digit, units place digit. Other digit should be added to the next one. Okay. Here 2, right 2. Units place you should take to the answer, no? Other digit you should add to the next one. So 4 you add here. What will you get? 73 plus 4 means 77. After getting 77, now units place digit you write here. Okay. Other digit you add to the next one. So 28 plus 7. 28, 35. 35, 72 is the answer. 35, 72 is the answer. Okay. I hope everyone understood this. Right? And the last example. $92, $56. Just complete it, everyone. 92, $56. 92, $56. Yeah, you're doing. So you're getting different answers. Let us check it, okay? 9 5s are 5 times. 45. So 5 2s are 10. 54. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 10. 64. 2 6 are 12. So here we get right 2 answer. One we add here 65. No, it becomes 65. So 5 you write here. Then again this 6 go here. 45 plus 6 means 51. So 51, 52 is the answer. Yeah, 51, 52 is the answer. You should be careful about the balancing. If you practice balancing and you can get the answer within seconds, within 5 seconds. It takes below 5 seconds to complete this kind of the additions. This is amazing technique from Vedic maths. Okay. In coming classes, we will discuss how to multiply 3 digits and 4 digits also. In next classes, how to multiply 3 digits and 4 digits and even 5 digits also. Okay, very fastly. Fastest multiplication system. We'll use fastest multiplication systems to multiply this. Okay. So now what you have to do, just you practice. So I'm giving some problems. 32, 54. This is the first one. Okay. Second, 29, 64. Third one, 43, 29. Fourth one, 92, 75. Fifth one, 66, 77. So just complete all these. Just complete all this problem, and you post your answers. You can post in the group. No worry. You can post answers in the group, but you better doing all these multiplications in a paper as per the system I told you. No, if you write direct answers, I don't accept. Direct answers will not be accepted. Whatever the method I have discussed with you, you should follow the same method. Okay, and definitely there will be 2 steps for each and every multiplications. There will be 2 steps for each and every multiplications. Okay, so just do as per our procedure, and it will help you to solve very big problems also. So this is the way of multiplying 2 digit numbers. Okay, this is amazing technique. If you practice, and you can do it very quickly, and you can save much of the time, and you can get perfect answers also. There will be accuracy in the answers also. Okay, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 problems are given. So just complete it. Keep doing the work regularly. Okay. Right. So I'm going to sign off now. Thank you very much. Right. Okay now.